Avenue, 18th Avenue exit at the front, 17th Avenue exit at the back. Coney Island bound and local train next stop, 20th Avenue. Stand clear to close the doors, please.